The best marble polishing services in Edinburgh. Does your marble look more dull than dazzling? Let's dive into why marble polishing is a must and how it can restore that stunning shine. Regular professional polishing can tackle common issues like scratches, etching from spills, and those pesky stains that just won't budge. We all know how frustrating that can be, right? Plus, hiring a professional ensures your surfaces get the expert care they need. There are fantastic companies serving Edinburgh like Repair, Restore, Revive. They will bring your marble back to life. And don't forget, after polishing, you'll want to maintain that glow. Simple steps can go a long way. So if you want your marble to shine bright, why wait? Give your floors the care they deserve. Call Repair, Restore, Revive 07533 873 476 today.